Last time, we got this $100 scooter running again. But before we send it ripping, it needs some love. Rear tire, completely dry rotted, and I don't trust the fluids one bit. Today we're fixing tires, swapping oil, and hopefully gonna ride for the first time. Stick around. Hopefully by the end, we'll have this thing road safe and ready to ride. This rear tire is toast. The sidewall's cracked all the way around, on both sides. It's even sketchy to just roll it. Don't worry, I've got a fresh set of tires and valves already on their way. No way I'm gonna risk a blowout on rims like these, and trust me, you don't want a scooter tire below 40 miles per hour. Neither do I. Here's the new tire. I would have it in my hand, but shipping's kind of delayed, so this one's gonna be a little rough to get out on time. Well anyway, I had a shop do the swap. Could I do it myself? Probably, but I really don't want to risk cracking a rim when I've never touched a rim like this before. One crack in this budget scooter isn't so budget anymore. You already know, sometimes paying up front a little bit saves you money in the long run. Plus, newly mounted tires, I can trust this thing on the road no matter what speed I'm going. I got no clue how long this oil's been sitting here. It's green oil. It's got some sort of additive to add life to it. Probably shouldn't be running that through your engine. And considering it sat outside for 6 years not being used, it's well overdue. I'd say it's pretty cheap insurance for a bike that just came back to life. I will be doing gear oil as well, just not in this video. Probably won't end up doing a video for it. Fresh oil is the difference between this thing being reliable or throwing a rod on the first run. Once again, because the tires are gonna be delayed, I'm just gonna do this part now. Just imagine there's new stuff. New tires, fresh oil, everything's topped off, finally safe to ride. Which means, yup, it's time for the first test ride. And this is the part that I think all of us have been waiting for. Fresh oil change. Fresh new tires. This thing just, it just sways. Holy crap. Everybody needs a scooter, by the way. You need a scooter. I could wheelie this at some point. I can. I almost guarantee. $100, title, working bike. This thing's insane. This thing's fetching insane. Actually fetching insane. Speedometer, it's a little off. It says I'm going 35, but really I'm going about 30. I did take this thing out when it had a flat tire, just to see if it would do a decent. Shredded the shit out of the tire. Absolute crap. Oh wait. Got home though. No damage to the rims or nothing. Holy crap, this thing's street legal. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Full throttle's insane. And I could split lanes on this thing, no way. Cannot get enough of this thing. You could just fucking lounge, bro. Look how I'm sitting. Oh my gosh, this thing's crazy. This thing's crazy. It's got a whole platform and everything. 2 fingers. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. This thing's so awesome. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, and these tires too, you can just trust them. You don't feel like you're gonna slide out at all. I only did replace the rear tire. I couldn't get the front I couldn't get the front caliper off because the clearance is a big issue. So I don't know, I gotta figure something out. It's almost as if I gotta take off the rotor. That would be the dumbest thing I've ever seen. So I don't know about that. Beautiful state of Utah. Utah Valley. Oh yeah. That's Utah Lake. Over there is Provo Canyon. Over there's AF Canyon. That's the one that I took mini bikes up. I'll have to post those videos pretty soon here before season changes. Be a little funky posting a summer video in the winter. I might have to do like little ride videos on this thing. Go ramp this shit somewhere. I'm gonna be taking this thing down stair sets, off jumps, off whatever. Oh yeah, I'm hitting this. I'm hitting this jump thing. All right, don't go bad. Don't go bad. Oh, fetch. That's so awesome. It is a little funky how there's two brakes now though. I've had clutch on the left, but normally it's rear brakes on the toe, front brakes right here, and this is the clutch, but this is rear, this is front. It'll take a second to get used to. I keep grabbing the front on turns. It's a little scary. Supposedly these things can go like 55 to 65, I think. And I am 120 pounds, so I mean this thing moves. This thing moves. All I did was clean the carburetor, fix the rear tire. Look at what we've got. Oh my gosh, and having that front brake, that'll take a little bit to get used to pop a wheelie on this thing, but I'll learn it. I will learn it. You hear that exhaust? No straight pipe no more. Street legal, baby! And the side view mirrors work too. I'm gonna adjust those actually. Alrighty. And alrighty. Side view mirrors, good to go. What the frick? This is actually insane. This is crazy feeling. I had a Honda Rebel. I never posted videos about that other than the Canyon Ride cruise. I sold it. The kid I sold it to crashed it, not even kidding, within 2 minutes after buying it. He broke his leg. No helmet, no nothing. I didn't check if he had a license or anything, but he was saying, oh yeah, no, my dad, he's done this kind of stuff his whole life. I know all about them. Oh shit, you're okay. But yeah, freaking 2 minutes. 2 minutes and it was crashed. Actually nuts. Oh my gosh, I can wheelie this. That's doable. Not for a bit, but that's doable. And this thing takes off just like a normal street bike would. Okay, not as fast, but like, see this? I'm going uphill. That's just a CVT clutch, no gears, no clutch. Or I said CVT clutch, whoops, CVT transmission. Which would be a torque converter. It's a CVT. It's like the same thing on a Honda or a Hyundai. I do have to say my butt scoots forward a lot if I got this backpack on, but shit, that's alright. Also, I like how clicky this blinker is because I can actually hear it. The Rebel, it didn't make any noise, so it just started blinking, and the speedometer didn't work, so you wouldn't see this light go off. It's like that. I can see the lights blinking at me. Dude, this thing's nuts. I can cruise up the canyon with this thing. This thing's tackling literally everything I'm throwing at it. Let's try some windier streets. And I'm not bugging anybody. Like nobody can say anything. I'd have to say, being in Utah, a lot of people enjoy the mini bikes going around. You've got your couple of people that hate it, but majority, everybody loves them. Like everybody gets such a laugh and such a big smile from seeing us on the mini bikes. Let's see it. Oh my gosh, this thing leans. This thing leans so far. I left that car in the dust. Just now seeing it. That is scary though. All that construction and shit. Oi, oi, oi. What the hell is that? That's a Tesla? I have not seen a Tesla like that. Oh my gosh, I can get that into a wheelie at some point. You gotta throw your weight so hard, and I'm not very heavy. Danny Duncan, freaking he can pop wheelies on scooters and shit. That's what I'm trying to do. Well, that's a little scary looking. It almost looks like oil. Get a mini bike, learn how all of this stuff works, learn how to lube your chain, learn how to tune a carburetor, do all that stuff. And these, oh my gosh, these things are crazy. Oh, we can try dirt up here. Do got to be careful on this shit. I mean, it doesn't even slide out when I try gassing it. Something's funky. I got this. Holy crap, ain't no way. On the mini bike, I'd be getting thrown all over the place. This thing freaking this thing eats all those bumps like it's nothing. It is still a bit bumpy, but not like it was before. I can do burnouts. The mini bike, I can just gas it and it'll go, but it's freaking awesome. Oh my gosh, I just slammed the brakes and nothing. It might be the muffler. Yeah, the muffler's a little rattly. I wonder if I didn't tighten one of the bolts down. Oh my goodness, I think I see it. Yep, that's it. And that is why. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Ain't no way. I didn't put it back in there. Oh, I didn't put it back in there. No way. Well, I don't have any tools on me. So scratch what I just said. I got a screw. Hey, I was looking for this and this. It's pretty rad. I might just take the bolt off then. It's got 3 more bolts holding it on. I think that means it's time to go home. Wrap things up. Boy, you live and you learn. Every test ride video, I swear, I come half prepared. Yeah, you see that? Again, watch this. Nothing. Like it's nothing. Alright, let me get home. Let me get home on this John. Yep, that's out. That one is out. It's alright, it's better to be out than falling out somewhere random. I way prefer that. Oi, that's kind of dumb. Okay, that one seems like it's in there good. That top one. Yeah, no more rattling. At least very little amounts of rattling. Well, holy crap, you guys, this is the test ride. I'm glad that glad I can have you guys tag along for the journey. Street legal, dude. I can take this thing wherever. Gotta go to the grocery store. There's a key. There's a key. So I want to make a setup like this, but for a mini bike. Like a mini scooter almost, you know? I will. You can hear the metal rattle a little bit, but fortunately, it's not the bolts, so that's good. I know people normally don't wear helmets on scooters, like full face helmets. I don't give a shit. Safety first. I'm not gonna learn the hard way. I already broke my freaking collarbone. Yeah, I broke my collarbone riding on the back of my sister-in-law's her mini bike. I was on a skateboard and we were pulling me with the freaking dog leash. Not a good idea. I broke my collarbone. Couldn't do anything for like 3 months, 2 months. I don't know how long it was. Don't quote me on however long I say. We're taking a long way home. Alright, Speedo says 50. And this isn't even full throttle. This is like 3/4. Yeah, this thing just sways. This thing feels amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. It says 50. It says 60. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Freak yeah. We mobbing, boys. We mobbing. Straight mobbing. Yeah! Exhaust is still holding. I'll join you on that one, mister. Street legal, baby! Thank you for waiting, sir. Yeah! Oh! See you, mister. See you, pal. Later, Shiesty. Bye-bye. I will catch y'all hoebacks later. What the hell even is a scooter, bro? What is this shit? Freedom. America, baby. Actually, Taiwanese, baby. I can literally stand straight up. I'm standing straight up. Oh, that's hilarious. That's chapter 2 of the $100 scooter rescue. From sketchy and unsafe to running and road ready. Still plenty to fix, but for $100, this thing's turning into a steal. And who knows, maybe the scooter will pop up on future videos. If you've got any scooter tips, any kind, drop them in the comments, let me know. Don't be shy, I respond to most of them, pretty much all. Not a single comment has been unresponded. So drop it in the comments. Scratch that, scratch that. As always, everyone, stay safe. Peace out.